I am so excited. Yes, despite the weather, it's raining on me, but I am using this Weber Genesis barbecue. This is a 4-burner Weber. We just put it together. Literally, I'm burning it for the very first time. As you can see, the grill is brand new. This is extremely hot, and the water is literally evaporating as it's hitting it. This thing is fantastic. For the first time, I've used Spirit Webers in the past, but the Genesis is the first one that I've ever seen with these kind of like protector under the grill. You've got these, and it's gonna be hard to see obviously because I can't touch it, but those will literally dissipate that heat to make it more of an even heat, and you won't get any flare-ups. I think that is so cool. Of course, yes, you've got a humongous grill. We've got 4 burners. It goes all the way to 700 degrees. Right now, we're just going down, we're just under 400. We had it going for about 20 minutes now, and I was just kind of burning it up as we do when you first open up a barbecue, and it was like literally going to 650. I was so blown away. Now, the cool thing too is that you are hiding away your propane tank, which I think is awesome. And the second awesome thing about this whole thing is you do have a drip catcher right here. So if you've got that grease, you've got the drip, and I can literally take that out. And I love the fact, and you probably can see it, I can't touch it because it's very, very hot, but you've got that kind of like little slope down. So all that grease, it doesn't matter if the grease is here or here, it's all going to get funneled down into that grease little slot. I think it's fantastic. Love the two, of course, we've got the 2 different levels for the barbecue, which obviously is a must, but every time I open it now, I look at it and I just go, wow, how much room we have. Yes, you've got the classic 2 side tables, so really, really big and deep side tables, which I love. You've got the hooks on the side here for any type of kind of like accessory that you want to have. You've got the hooks right there, and you've got the hooks on the other side as well, because you've got the same side table on this as well. You've got a battery operated starter right there, as we can hear, and it is battery operated. Yes, right here. It's so simple to change the battery. It's right there. So you don't have to fiddle around and kind of like take anything apart. It's literally just boom, battery out and good to go. But my favorite part is when you're not using it. How gorgeous does this thing look? It is fantastic. Love the look of it, but I'm gonna let you go because we're about to cook some steaks and it's going to be fantastic.